We're in Point Lepreau, New Brunswick. On est à Point Lepreau, Nouveau-Brunswick, dans la baie de Fundy, in the Bay of Fundy. And we have some Harlequin ducks. Plongeons harlequins dans la baie de Fundy. Une espèce qu'on voit ici hiverner. Et là on a un beau mâle avec une femelle. Nice male with a female on the rock. It's a duck that likes to be around rocks and lots of white surf. They will be going into rivers to nest, but they spend the winter along the seashore of little islands and rocky outcrops where there's a lot of that surf going on. And I'm lucky enough to be here. Oh, they're gonna go now. No. What a beautiful duck. One of the most beautiful birds in Canada. Unfortunately an endangered species. Harlequin duck. Don't forget to follow me at Acadian Birder on Twitter, at Acadian_birder on Twitter. And for more information on birds in New Brunswick and birding, you go to the Facebook page, the provincial Facebook page, Birding NB, Oiseau NB. Thank you very much.